Well, one by one, local organizations across Western New York are stepping up to help people impacted by Hurricane Helene. This includes the Teachers Desk, which is sending 400 poncho packs to children across the Southeast.
To talk more about how you can get involved, we're joined by John Micah, the director of the Teachers Desk. John, thank you for everything you do in this community, and now we're expanding here to other communities in need. Tell me about where this idea even came from.
Yeah, I mean, thank you for having me, by the way. Western New Yorkers are like that. That's what we do. I know that's the rest of the country is probably the same way, but I like to think Western New York, when there's a problem, when there's a concern, when there's a need, we're always stepping up. So that's what we do. We give away $8 million in school supplies annually. And when there's catastrophes happening throughout the world, we try to help out when we can. So North Carolina certainly is devastated, and we see it on the news constantly. So we knew we had to do something, and we make 21,000 poncho packs a year, and we happen to have a few left over, and these 400 are going down to Asheville.
That's so great.
Wow.
Now, we've featured the Teachers Desk a number of times on our air. You've seen them a number of times, probably getting ready for school in the morning on Wake Up. John, tell us a little bit about the organization, what you guys do, and how much you depend on the community to create what you guys do.
Absolutely, yeah. We have 270 now schools that shop with us throughout Western New York. We're in every county, from Rochester to Ripley. We have 150,000 students impacted by our store alone. 6,000 teachers shop there annually, either on Saturday mornings, Tuesday afternoons, or Wednesdays. We actually deliver. It's called Delivering Hope. We deliver to schools now. We have 265 weekly volunteers, and it's impossible to do anything without them. And obviously our wonderful donors, our foundations, all kinds of folks making this happen.
It's just amazing.
Incredible.
Everything in front of us here is in a poncho pack.
Yeah.
So I'm going to kind of show you guys a few of these things. There's pens, pencils, crayons, markers, there's glue, there's hygiene products, even folders. How much is a poncho pack worth? Just one of them.
$100.
$100 worth of supplies are in one poncho
And you cannot forget this.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Little toys.
The football, of course.
And
Got the football.
stress balls.
Yeah. A little football in memory of Ezra.
How did these, tell us a little bit about a background on the poncho packs. How did those come together, of course?
Yeah,
from
when
the
in 2019, when Ezra passed, Pancho, huge Bills fan, super fan, I got a call from Del Reed, founder of the Bills Mafia, saying, "Hey, John, you do school." He sits a few rows ahead of us in church.
Nice.
So he said, "John, you do school supplies." I said, "Any chance on?" He says, "Any chance on backpacks?" And that's when it was born. We started there. We started with 12,000 the first year with all kinds of support, and it's just grown since then. Now we make 21,000 backpacks a year.
Wow, 21,000.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
I love it. How can the community get involved in this? We have had so many different organizations on, but if someone out there is saying, you know, this is what I want to donate to, how can they do so?
Sure, just go to our website, theteachersdesk.org, and there's all kinds of buttons on there to either volunteer. We're always looking for more help to create poncho packs. We're always looking for a product to help with the store and our backpack program. And then we're always looking for funding, and then you can help us. And there's actually a tab on there right now for North Carolina.
Great.
Poncho packs specifically to help us get these shipped down there. I'd be remiss by not saying that TMSI, who is a logistics company here in Buffalo, they have been outstanding, just incredible folks throughout the years. You don't hear about these things unless somebody brings it up, but they've been wonderful, Brooks and the folks over there for us, and they're actually going to ship these 400 down in lieu of payment. They're just covering the cost to get it down there. So they're doing their thing. There's 400 backpacks valued at $40,000. So we're trying to get some help with that, and anything else would go into Poncho Pack 2025, which we're starting to pre-pack now.
Okay. I will put a link on WIVB.com under the Founded on 4 tab. Give me 10 minutes to get that link up to donate to these poncho packs for Asheville. So
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
God bless you both. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it, John.
Thank you.
Thank you, John.
Thank you. You bet.
Wonderful.